Hey guys, happy Hispanic Heritage Month. So I am Gabriel and I work for Bechtel. I've been here with the project for over a year now. And I am a mechanical engineer, specifically in the mechanical handling side of Bechtel. I am also the chair for communications for B Familia, and we just started this new group up. So we're very excited to be participating in Hispanic Heritage Month. My family one side comes from Guerrero, Cuernavaca, and the other side comes from Mexico City. So I'm like half-assed. And a dish that I remember from my childhood was caldo de pollo. My mom would make that all the time. So caldo de pollo, delicious. Check it out. Now, one thing that most people don't include in the caldo de pollo is some Roma tomatoes. What I like to do is I actually like to put them in a blender, blend it all up, obviously wash them first, and add them to the caldo de pollo. And that's what I like to do. A lot of people don't do it, but this is my recipe, so this is what I'm doing. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys try my recipe and enjoy the rest of Hispanic Heritage Month.